Let us start working with the array of pointer in C language. And in this program, we will simply create the array of pointer and try to access the values by assigning the corresponding data type address. So let us simply define the integer array with some value and we have defined the integer pointer array of length 5. So using this for loop, we will assign the address for each variable of array n. And we will just print the value of the variable of array n. So we are just trying to print the value of array n using array of pointer by storing the corresponding address and printing with the help of loop. So you can see we are getting the same value that is available in the array n with the help of simple pointer.